Hey guys, so I found this like creative asset effect. So choose higher values to make background sharper. To blur the background, choose lower values, or you can have auto. Adjust background blurring to match the brightness. Depending on lens, brightness, f number, some positions may not be available. So this is something I found regards the background blur on Google for You and what you can actually do, right? And when I'm going to go further right here. Yes, shooting tips. The further distance between the subject and background, the more blurred the background will look. The subject will also stand out better against the uncoated dark backgrounds for the portrait mode. And this is something that you can also do combination with the background blur created acid effects. So I hope this will help you at least a little bit about what to do, and you have to like figure it out the acid features. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.